Do you hate opening theory? Do you sometimes even feel like aborting games when you get black? Then fear not, the Hippo opening is for you. After watching this video, your game as black will go from randomly developing pieces to actually having a plan and blowing white off the board. It was invented by this guy, because he was just too lazy to deal with all of White's ideas. So one day, he was taking a shower, and he likes to take a long time in the shower. Then, he suddenly came up with a plan, used it in chess, and named it the Hippo opening.
How does this transfer to chess?
You see, we are taught that we should always attack the center as fast as possible. Well, that's not the case here. We are going to take our sweet time and play chess in the modern style. And we can wait on which side we are going to castle.
So we always play the moves in this order?
That's a good question, and the answer is no. You can play them in any order you like. Let's say White wants to put his bishop on g5, play h6 before he does it. You can play any order you like.
What are the pros and cons of the opening?
Pros: 1. You can play it against anything. 2. There is zero theory involved. 3. White can literally not break through with how much we are controlling all the key squares. 4. White will get impatient and just ruin his position trying to get to us. Cons: 1. There are literally no cons. Let's look at an in-game example.
Why did you play d6 now? Why not any other move?
To stop him from going e5. You don't have to do it, I just like to do it this way. Hey Black, what are you even doing? With this strong center I will crush you. Oh yeah, how are you going to do that? I can push e5. Now with that you open up my light bishop, so I can just take your knight and open up your king, and win the e5 pawn. Damn, then I'm going to push d5. I don't care, I will just play e5 myself and close your attack this way. Now my knight can jump to c5 as well. So you really have no weak points? I told you, come to the side. How do you know so much? You thought only you can play chess? I can play and teach chess too.
How can we be like you?
I am part of the top chess army.
Wow, amazing.
Pawn, get back to the board now. It's time to look at an actual game. I will crush you. No you won't. I will just position my bishops to attack the center like this. Horsey, time to move.
There is two of us, you have to be more specific.
Yes of course, do you not see that I just opened up the square for you?
Okay my king.
d5 pawn, make a space for our horsey.
Okay king.
Now the other horsey can move. Go horsey.
Yeehaw. Maybe I should move there.
Why are you going back? Are you a coward?
Shut up, I didn't ask you anything. I will reposition myself.
Time to castle. Oh no, his woman is lined up with his bishop, and if this pawn moves, he will be able to take my Harry. I must prevent this.
Good job, King Harry was about to shit his pants.
Look at him, he is attacking the f5 square. Pawn, occupy that square and challenge them. You have 4 protections.
Roger that. Elo.
Yeah boy.
Oh fuck.
Oh no, he wants to jump to e6 and fork my queen and rook. We must do something about this.
Don't worry king, I got this.
Rook, are you serious? Who told you to move there? Bishop could have just killed the horse, it was unprotected. You dumbass. Knight, look at that e3 square. Go pressure it.
Yes my king.
It's time to take control of this open e-file. Once we have that, he can resign. Fight for the e3 square begins. Bishop, if they take you, do not be sad. The pawn will come and protect this passed pawn.
I will carry the bishop's legacy.
Time to trade off some pieces. Woman, make some space for the pawns to go forward. Rook, it's time to do battery.
Roger king. Battery battery.
Taking there, you are such a fool. Your end will come even faster. Now whatever you do, I will either checkmate you on g1, or if you try to stop it, push the e-pawn, and you can't protect both threats. You are right, my time has come. I was such a fool. Queen, try to stop her.
All right, king.
How does this help you? I don't know, I wanted to confuse you. Ha ha ha, you almost got me. As you saw, we demolished white in this game. Let's create a short summary on how to play the opening. 1. Fianchetto both of your bishops. 2. Push E and D pawns one square forward and put the knights on those squares. 3. Play H6 and A6 stopping white's pieces from coming there. 4. Wherever white pushes, just close the attack on the other side. Okay guys, now you're ready to play the Hippo opening. If you play this opening for a bit and get good at it, it can work at any level, even grandmasters play it. Also, it's amazing for fast-paced games as you know a lot of moves from the start and you're going to win so much time. Our guide below walks you through all of this, so that way, it's super easy to remember how to play it when you get into real games. I hate you. Now, go below and click the first link now, to join the top chess army to rapidly improve at chess, with all of us together.
We can help you grow to over 1800 elo with the feedback of a real chess master. I will see you there.
Peace.